Hi, Paulus, Eddie here from FMCA in the Republic of Korea. Today, I'm going to get the open, meaning the unboxing, the 1100 millimeters, the PC-21 Pilatus made by F.M.S. As you know, this airplane is very popular for the beginner and the intermediate pilots at the airfield. Now I got this, so let's make it. I unboxed the PC-21. Let's take them out. All right, they are the all parts of this F.M.S 1100 millimeters PC-21. This is the manual and the stabilizer with the pipe and 5-blade propellers and reflex gyro systems upgrade cable here, and some parts and miscellaneous the metals and the blade spinner here. Main wing. Oh yeah, some problem here. And the beautiful fuselage, the body. That is the fort, but there's any influences for the flying. All right, let's assemble them. The manual, they said only 15 minutes for the assembly of this airplane. Let's go to make assemble. According to the manual, they said only 15 minutes for the assembly of this airplane. Let's try it. At the fuselage and the horizon stabilizer here. And there's no glue and adhesive for the assemble. The manual said. Always the horizon stabilizer is little hard, all of the airplane, because you have to level this horizon fin, so be careful this parts when you assemble all the plane. Okay, and bolt here, the 4 price, only 4 bolts to fix the horizon stabilizer, and the rudder is already assembled from the factory. This is the final bolt to finished tail wings for this airplane. I finished the horizon stabilizer. Assembled the propellers here. Propeller plate, make a hole here. Props here. And using the driver or something to fix the adapter. Spinner here, like this. I didn't make any balancing of the propellers, but before the flying, I want to make the balancing of the propeller with the propeller balancing. It's very easy to assemble this airplane. Good. And finally, I assembled the main wings. That is the final step to assemble the airplane. You have to cut these electronic ties before you assemble the main wings. And can you see the terminal of the servos? From each wings, the retractor and aileron flap. Okay. And this is terminal. But I think I don't have to use this terminal in my case because I will use the flaplon, the spoilers, and the drooping ailerons, something like that. So I don't need this terminal, but anyway, insert the cable here, the whole of the middle part of the fuselage. Oops, change the position. Okay. And I need 4 wing bolts to fix the main wing. Using these wing bolts to fix. I finish. And linkage here for the horizon stabilizer. Here we go. Okay, that's all. Okay, let's go to the next step.